In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe InDesign for free. Step 1. Go to the link down below in the description, which will take you directly to the Adobe Creative Cloud free sign-up page. You will see an option that says Start Free Trial. Click on that, and you will see 3 options: Individual, Business, and Students and Teachers. Choose the Business option, which gives you a 14-day free trial, and then click on Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue again. Fill out the required information with your card details. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you anything until the free trial ends, as the fee is $0. Once the 14-day free trial is over, we will cancel the subscription. After completing the free purchase, you will see a screen that says the free trial has started. Step 2. Open a new tab in your browser and type Adobe Creative Cloud App Download. Click on the second link and download Creative Cloud. Once the app is downloaded, install it, open it, and sign in with the email address you used to create your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Once signed in, create a password. Remember, the password must meet all the requirements and should not contain spaces. After signing in, you will see a section that says Apps. Click on that to view all Adobe software, find Adobe InDesign, and install the file. You can now use Adobe InDesign for free for the next 14 days. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.